In this class we will know important commands for creating sketches, which will allow you to mirror geometries and remove living corners. Open the available file and let's get started. Note that we have part of a sketch drawn up to the center line, indicating that it is a symmetrical geometry. To close this symmetric geometry quickly, we will use the Mirror Entities command. We edit the sketch and activate the command. In the Property Manager, SolidWorks informs us that we must select the entities to mirror and the reference line for mirroring. The Copy option copies the entities. A quick way to make the selection is to click the mouse outside the graphic area and drag, drawing a box around the entities. We select the center line as the mirror line and the preview is shown. We confirm the command and see the mirroring performed, keeping the sketch completely defined. Undo the application by pressing Ctrl-Z. We re-enable the Mirror Entities command, select the entire geometry and reference line, but disable the Copy option. We confirm and note that the geometry has been mirrored, however, without maintaining the original entities and quotas. We leave this sketch and select it in the project tree. In the floating bar we click on the Hide option, hiding it from the graphic area. We edit the next sketch and create the center line to do the mirroring. We click on the arrow of the command line and choose Center Line. From the origin we draw the center line. Center line is important for scaling, note. In this sketch we will use another mirroring command, the Dynamic Mirror, located in the Tools, Sketch Tools menu. After activating the command, we must click on a reference line, in our case, the center line. See that now everything we draw on one side of the reference line is mirrored automatically. To disable the command, you need to click on it again. We erase the geometries created with the dynamic mirror. Now we will eliminate the living corners of this geometry by adding chamfers and rounding. To apply chamfers, we activate the command Sketch Chamfer. See that we have the option Angle Distance, for which we need to set an angle and a distance. Next, we must click on the vertex of the corner that will be beveled. With the Distance option, we set two values for the chamfer. By checking the Equal Distance option, we set only one value for the two edges formed by the chamfer and click on the desired vertices. To apply rounding, we activate the Sketch Fillet command. We set the value of the radius and click on the vertices for the application. We've confirmed the command and our geometry is ready. Keep this geometry, because we have seen in this class some important commands for creating sketches, which will be very useful for everyday modeling in SolidWorks.